Are you tired of those pesky check engine lights popping up unexpectedly? Do you want to take control of your car's health without breaking the bank? Look no further than the XTOOL AD20 Pro OBD2 scanner. Section 1. What is the XTOOL AD20 Pro? The XTOOL AD20 Pro is a powerful and affordable OBD2 scanner designed to help you diagnose and troubleshoot issues with your car's engine and other systems. Compact and portable design for easy use. Compatible with both iPhone and Android devices. User-friendly interface with intuitive navigation. New for 2024. Enhanced compatibility with the latest vehicle models and diagnostic protocols. Section 2. Key features of the XTOOL AD20 Pro. The XTOOL AD20 Pro is packed with features that make it a must-have for any car owner. Check engine light diagnosis. Quickly identify and clear check engine light codes. All system scan. Scan multiple car systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, and more. Oil reset. Reset the service light after an oil change. Battery test. Assess battery health and performance. Performance test. Monitor engine performance metrics. Live data. View real-time sensor data for in-depth diagnostics. OBD2 freeze frame data. Capture and analyze data at the time of a diagnostic trouble code DTC occurrence. Sensor tests. Perform specific tests on various sensors to identify malfunctions. DTC lookup. Access detailed descriptions and potential causes for DTCs. Vehicle information. Retrieve basic vehicle information such as VIN, make, model, and year. Section 3. How to use the XTOOL AD20 Pro. Using the XTOOL AD20 Pro is simple. Follow these steps. Connect the scanner to the OBD2 port. Launch the app on your phone. Select the desired diagnostic function. Interpret the results and take appropriate action. Section 4. Benefits of using the XTOOL AD20 Pro. The XTOOL AD20 Pro offers numerous benefits for car owners, including save money, avoid costly mechanic visits by diagnosing and fixing issues yourself, peace of mind, ensure your car is running at its optimal performance, convenience, easily monitor your car's health from the comfort of your home, enhanced vehicle compatibility, benefit from the latest updates and support for newer car models. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable OBD2 scanner, the XTOOL AD20 Pro is the perfect choice. With its comprehensive features and easy-to-use interface, it's the ideal tool for any car owner. Encourage viewers to purchase the XTOOL AD20 Pro and share the video with their friends.